Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cook Tasty with Amy. Today I'm going to show you how to bake this beautiful fluffy soft Moroccan brioche, or as we call them in Arabic, Krachel. Yes, that's the one, Krachel. So let's get started. All the ingredients and measurement will be in the description box, just check it out. We will need eggs, oil, sugar, milk, water, yeast, baking powder, salt, anise seeds, and flour as required. Pour the ingredients in a bowl or using a mixer if you have one. Eggs, sugar, oil, milk. The milk should be warm. Water. The water also have to be warm. And the yeast with the baking powder, salt, and anise seeds. Mix all the ingredients well until the sugar melts. Then start adding flour gradually until you get a sticky, soft dough. You don't have to knead the dough. The yeast will do the job. As you can see, this is how it should be. The dough has to be in this texture. The dough is now ready. Let's transfer it to an oiled bowl. Cover the bowl with a plastic, then towel, and leave it to rise for 2 hours until very puffy and doubled in bulk. This is how it looks after 2 hours. Put some oil in your hands and punch down the dough. With the help of oil, start forming the dough into small balls. Don't forget to oil the baking sheet or just use a baking paper instead. Leave some space between the balls as they double in size. If you don't like the flavor of anise seeds, just use the orange zest instead. It also gives a good flavor to this recipe. Now, after finishing all the quantity, we will just leave the balls double in size about 1 hour. So this is how it looks after 1 hour. We will egg wash them using 1 egg. We'll mix that egg with 1 teaspoon milk and few drops of vinegar. And then we will garnish it with some sesame. After garnishing all of it, we will preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes, depends on the oven. And here is our easy yummy brioche ready. Just let it cool first before consumption or before freezing them. You can enjoy them plain or with some butter or some cheese or chocolate spread or even peanut butter. It can be eaten at breakfast time and it can be eaten also at tea time. As you can see, it's so fluffy like cotton and it's really so yum. I'm pretty sure you will love them once you try them. I just can't imagine my breakfast without having one or two of this yummy brioche. It just makes my day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. See you again soon. Bye bye.